ka surjong phi ka thang jangi
Unong thawaan ka BJP u alhek ulapan paw ya ka jinget ka Sngewskhem ba ka party kan le bahaya kani ka election banwan siya ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kabalabu banlong hakash pautrik uyayong habakren siya kilat patay kabor u hek uloong ba ka party takmi lenti banyo ya ka jengjob ki Khlain hakani ka election council
26 candidate, but now already declared of 19 seats, and we are hopeful that we will be able to do well for this upcoming district council election of Garo Hills district.
What about the by-election of your MP?
Are you, I'm not done with GHADC, are you putting up candidate in all the 29 seats?
We are trying to get more than all the 29 seats, but so far we have already got the applicants for 29 seats. 19 seats.
Okay, so this is the first list.
This is the first list, yeah.
Also, one related question, and that is issue